Hello, in this tutorial video we will be speaking about Multiorders dashboard. So a little analytic tool to help you see how your business is doing. So let's start from the very beginning. On the top you will see these columns that will represent your new orders, how many sales you have made, total orders, units sold, low stock report, for instance if you are running low on any of your products, return customers, how many customers are returning and buying again from you, new clients, completely unique clients, and then you can adjust the period and the currency. So at the moment I have my period at all time, but you can manage it as last 30 days, last 7 days, this week, this month, etc. If you open up the dashboard for completely new, usually the last 7 days is the default setting. So you can adjust it here to any margin that you feel fit. Also, at the moment, as you can see, I have currencies also opened up. So right here, we have quite a few currencies that you can choose from, but we try to show all of your sales and top customers in the one currency. So we just calculate if you're using, let's say, dollars or euros, but you have a default setting in your settings and into your financial as turned on to be for British pounds. So we will try to show everything in the dashboard in British pounds, but you can always edit it and select the currency that you feel fit. So let's get back to the dashboard. So for this demo purpose, let me just select all time so that I would have more data to show you. Right here, color-wise, you will see which shop is doing how many sales and the period that you just selected. So as you can see, my local in-house orders are doing not so good, but my WooCommerce is doing pretty good. And if you would have more sales channels connected, you would have more colors and more charts to compare how your separate shops are doing. Now let's take a look at top products. This graph shows you how you are doing in sales and what products are being sold the most. You can also select how many are shown in one graph. If I would turn on 15, as you can see, the chart expands. I can export it to download, as an Excel file so that you can have it in a written form. Maybe you need it for your accounting or for other demo purposes. And now, as you can see, the chart is by sales, so how much revenue each product has generated. But you can change that and have it in units. So which product has accumulated most units in sales, and as well the price, how your most expensive products are doing compared to less expensive. Usually people look at it as in sales because they're curious about the revenues that the products are generating. Now on the right side, what you can see are the top customers. And again, you can have a bigger view up to 15 at once. I don't see it in 15 because in the demo account I only have 10 customers. So let's leave it at 10. As well, you can export it and sort it. So as you can see right now, I have it in sales, which person is generating the biggest sales for my marketplace. As well, I can see it in units, which person has bought the most products, and as well in orders, which person has made the most orders. As you can see, sometimes a person can have only one order, but the sale is very big, compared to another person that have made 5 orders in total, but didn't generate as much revenue. Now right here, what we can see are the top cities and countries. You can choose the cities or the countries from where most of your orders are coming in. Now you can also have it in 5, 10, or 15, and you can export it and sort it by orders, the amount that was generated, or by average. What is the average amount generated? And the last thing in the dashboard, my personal favorite, is purchases by hour in the last 7 days. So in this graph, you will see little pieces will show you how many orders were generated, let's say on Tuesday around 3 o'clock. As you can see, at that time I had 3 orders, and on Thursday around 2 o'clock I made 1 order. Of course, in your graph you will see a lot of colors, and they will indicate at which time of the week and at which time of the day your orders are booming and you're having the best period. This can help for your marketing purposes. So this tutorial was about the dashboard. I hope it was useful and you will find a lot of important information here. Always remember that on the top right corner we have this little question mark which you can click, and you will be redirected directly to our Q&A section about integrations, orders, inventory, etc. Here you will find tutorial guides how to correctly integrate any of your sales channels as well. And as I said previously, if you have any questions, just write directly to our live chat or give us a call and we will help you with the process of the integration. I hope this video was useful, and as always, have a nice day.